Welcome to Do It Yourself Sewing Lady. If this is your first time with us, feel free to subscribe and like our videos. If you have any comments, feel free to leave those also, because like I said, I'm doing it myself. You might have some good ideas. Okay, so I bought this navy blue and black hat online. I could not see the ridges in the hat. These are your typical hats that you can get at the dollar store. Actually, I have that same hat that I use when I don't feel like getting dressed or I just want to relax or clean up or something. So I wasn't too happy about that for the dress that I made. So I decided to use the bow. And that was the only thing I did like about the hat. So that's why you see that big hole on the side there, because I cut the bow off. I cut out a longer piece to go around the hat because I wanted to be able to wrap it all the way from the bottom to top and pin it in place. I started off sewing just a little bit on the hat and then I decided to hand sew it instead. I made a few alterations to the bow by cutting off a few small bows that was attached to it. In each bow, I sewed it together and attached it to the hat, and then I added pearls to each side. I added gathers to the front of the dress so that the neck wouldn't be too wide. Okay. So if you can't see my hat or my head, you can blame it on the cameraman, my grandson. He cracked up laughing at his grandma on the runway.